Okay, in order to do the other fillets here and here, what you need to do is add in some extra lines really. You have to add that line in there, and you have to add this line down here. Because essentially, the fillet we're going to do here is the same as that fillet, so it needs to go here. Okay, so I've measured the fillet again, mark a point there, mark a point here, then you put a little arc there and a little arc there, and then you just use that to produce your arc. Now some of that isn't going to be seen, obviously, and where you know that the point that isn't seen is if you take your 45 square and just draw down to the edge there, that's the tangent point, that's the point that you would stop seeing any more of a curve. So you can use that to just tidy up the edge. Okay. Obviously the same sort of thing was done on the top also, where I measured to here and then measured down to here, and then use that to find the centre point, and then you can just draw in that. Now I'll do the same here, so measure down to there, measure across to there, use these 2 points to find a centre point, and then just draw in your arc. And you can do exactly the same as you did 45, that's your tangent point, and then just draw a line across from there to there. You can see that I've slightly missed it there, so there's something obviously out on this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it. So again, just re-measure. Sometimes this happens and you just got to go with it. So we'll measure this arc, comes down to there, into there, and then just find the centre point. Yeah, and just draw it in. It's a bit better this time. A bit closer. So just throw that in there. Okay, and then we can get rid of any extra wee bits that don't quite match up. Just going to firm this in here, what we've got. You can tidy this up a wee bit. Centre point. It's just a really small fillet there that you see. A wee bit like that. Okay, so that's that main part there. There's obviously quite a lot of work involved in that, and you know, when we do the kind of final drawing, there's parts of this that I would really want to be dappling in and just tidying up a bit as well. Okay, last bit at the back is relatively straightforward. It's just finding the right point, that's the thing. What I would do is, these 2 points here are like that point there and there. So what you can do is, if you just extend these left and right, and we can measure how far we have to go out from there. I think it's symmetrical here, so it's marked there and there. We know how far out it goes, so just draw a line up and then down, up and down. And height wise, just measure it here, so it's that high up. So mark that there. the overall height is from here down to here, and I'll just mark that down there. Okay, and then we can sketch that in. Let's just get a kind of rough outline of that. Now, fillets for this, extend this up here into here, measure it, and then what we're doing here, again what we did before, from the corner, mark it there, mark it there, arc there, arc there. Let's do that again. And there's my point there, centre point, so just draw that in. And then we're just going to do the same at each corner, as much to emphasise it as anything. So just mark there, wee arc, another arc, and then just connect these up. Okay, same again up here, arc, point there, arc, arc, and then just connect between them. Okay, and then we'll just project back, and this time I'm going to project back that point and that point. And this point and this point. No point doing that, you'll see why in a minute. Doing it slightly differently this time. So to measure how far back it goes back that far. If I mark that one there, and then mark that one there, then what I do is that's making 2 points, so I can do arc, and arc, and then I can draw between the two of them.